So we have caught up with the ZANU-PF Youth League Deputy Commissar, Mr. Comrade Kanshaya. Comrade, tell us about today. We are seeing that there's low traffic. There seem to be a stay away. What is your observation?
No, there's no stay away. All these are vehicles, those are buses, those are combis. It's business as usual.
Okay.
It's only that when a threat is issued, you know, our innocent citizens may take time to cope up with reality. But the truth of the matter is it's business as usual. That's why you see those that are working, they are working. Those that are home, they are home safe. The whole point is that President Mnangagwa is still the president of the Republic of Zimbabwe, and he will never be overthrown. Number two, the next point is people of Zimbabwe are sick and tired of being used in protests. They've decided not to protest. The best that they could do, others are at work, others are at home. So it's business as usual.
Okay. But we have seen that some of the shops are still closed, they're not yet open. This is already after 9 a.m.
Of course, the shops are still closed because the owners haven't yet opened, not because they are protests. As I said earlier on, that innocent citizens react to threats. They take threats seriously. But a citizen like myself, who knows what's happening, I'm not afraid. So other shops are closed, others are opening. But they are not closed because somebody told them to close the shops. They are closed only because they are assessing the situation so that they substantiate what President Mnangagwa said, to say everyone is safe, there won't be violence.
But someone who may say that Geza has got influence, it's an evidence that he has got influence, and this is why things are like this.
If you issue a threat, even at your level, people will take it seriously.
Okay.
People take threats seriously. But the bottom line is Geza was not about closing shops. He vowed to remove the President Emerson Mnangagwa by ways of protests. The citizens have responded to him by saying, we are not going to protest only, but we also remain peaceful. Those that are at home are still at home. Those that are at work peacefully. At home, there is peace. In town, there is peace. So the bottom line is that people may try to play psychology to say, no, it's not a demo, it's a stay away. People are staying away from protests. They are right.
Okay. And what is your message to Comrade Geza if you were to meet him today?
No, I cannot address a non-entity. He's just a nobody. That's why he's out of the country.
He's a former war veteran, that guy.
No, being a war veteran does not come with the authority to cause despondence in a country.
I know, but I was saying, Comrade, we can't just say he's an entity.
No, for you to see that he's a non-entity, I am here in Zimbabwe. Those that are supporting President Mnangagwa are in Zimbabwe. He is not supporting President Mnangagwa, he's out of the country. So can we discuss about somebody who is out of the country? You cannot remove the government just by tweeting. So if he was an entity, he could be here. Yes.
But can we effectively say there is no factionalism in ZANU-PF?
There is no factionalism. You saw the president at the Central Committee. He was flanked by the entire presidium. First vice president, second vice president, national chairman, the secretary general, everyone was there. Look, my brother, people mistaken what happened in 2017. In 2017, those were not protests, it was a solidarity. So there are people who think there were demonstrations in 2017. It was a solidarity. People were in solidarity with the military Operation Stolegas. So you cannot remove a government by demonstration. That has never happened in Zimbabwe. Since 1999, the opposition has been doing stayaways, demonstrations. Nobody was removed.
But maybe lastly, Mr. Kanshaya, what's your take on what Ambassador Chris Mtswangwa said on his alleged call with dug-up journalist Mined Wanyowa in the UK?
No, I cannot comment on that, because for as long as, I don't even know who Mined Wanyowa is. I don't know what dug-up is. Those are just some dubious outlets that are there to cause divisions. I don't even know whether it was Comrade Mtswangwa or not. Yes, I cannot comment on that.
There are some social media reports that are saying Mtswangwa is left the country. Some are saying he is
Listen, my brother. If it's true that he left the country, I said it's business as usual. If he had a trip to wherever he's going, he could not cancel because the country is running normal. He needed a trip to South Africa. Okay. Look now the situation. Okay.